Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to Tuesday's SPAG lesson. You will probably be pleased to hear that our time delving into the world of parentheses and how to demarcate them is at an end. And this week we are looking at something that is a bit more fun, and we are starting to look at noun phrases and expanded noun phrases, which gives you a bit more creativity, which I rather like. First of all, we have an excellent word of the day today, and that word of the day is paraphernalia. You can refer to a large number of objects that someone has with them or that are connected with a particular activity as paraphernalia. There was teaching paraphernalia everywhere in the classroom, or his bag was full of footballing paraphernalia. A lovely word to try and say. It's often used for things that are a bit mysterious, a bit sort of old, a large collection of random things. So you can have equipment and stuff as synonyms. Writing your own sentence using paraphernalia. Remember, paraphernalia is already a plural, so there's not an S on the end of it. It's collective now, but refers to a group of things. Okay, so let's have a look at what we are focusing on today. So today we are going to be looking at not the expanded noun phrases, my apologies. Today we are looking at noun phrases, and then on Thursday we are looking at expanding them. So the first things that we need to think about are what is a noun and what is a phrase. So a noun is a thing, normally something that you can touch, but there are some things that are called abstract nouns, such as happiness is a thing, but you can't touch it, even air to an extent, things like that. So nouns are things, and a phrase is a combination of words that is shorter than a sentence. It can be 2 words, can be 5 words, but they don't make a full sentence by themselves. So what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is made up of a noun, which is a thing, and a determiner, a, an, or the, or these. And I've attached, as a scaffold for those of you that need that targeted provision, a list of some determiners as part of this activity so that you can use it to support yourself. So the simple sentence I've got here, the dog ate her dinner, has got 2 noun phrases in it. The dog, the is a determiner, and dog is a noun, and her dinner, her is a determiner, and dinner is a noun. And you can see I've highlighted them in different colors so that we can see that there are 2 noun phrases there that help to make up that sentence. So can you spot the noun phrases in these sentences? The girl played in the park. My leg hurts, shouted the boy. There are 2 noun phrases in each sentence. Have a go at finding them first, because this is going to be what your activity is. Then I'll show you where they are, and then I'll lead you onto your activity there. Okay, so hopefully you were able to notice that in the first part of the sentence, we've got the girl. So the is a determiner, girl is a noun. So that is a noun phrase. And the park, the is the determiner, and park is the noun. So that makes a noun phrase. My leg, leg is a noun. My is the determiner there. And then the boy, the is the determiner, and boy is the noun. So your job is to highlight the noun phrases in the following sentences, and let me show you what that is going to look like if I could find it. There is an example at the top of it as well. So underline or highlight the noun phrases in each sentence. Remember that there may be more than one, not all of the time, but in some of them there are. So the girl scored a goal. Girl is a noun, which means that the word before it is often a determiner. Goal is a noun, which means that the word before it is often a determiner as well. I've tried to highlight them in different colors. If you don't know how to highlight, what you can do is if you highlight a word like that, and then you should in your teams have access to text highlight color. If not, you can just bold it or underline it or just change the color of the font. That's absolutely fine as well. You've got 8 questions. All you need to do is highlight the noun phrases in each sentence. If you're not sure how to find a determiner, that's absolutely fine as well. What I've got is I've got a resource on there that you guys can use, which I will show you now as well. So it gives you a list of some different determiners that you might look for and the different types of determiners that there are. So please have a look at that to help you out. Good luck with this task. Do make sure that you're looking out for all of the noun phrases in each sentence. There are often more than one noun phrase in a sentence. Good luck, and hopefully you can identify them.